Hi guys, this is Kitten Mitten Plays. This is my sister Magical Dog 2006. Never mind about her, guys. Okay.
Let's go fishing! Actually, no. You go do your thing. I wanna play to the village today.
Okay.
After I cook. Basically, I wanna cook.
Yeah, I want to cook all
downstairs, right?
of my 64 fish. I'll have a furnace at my room.
Will happen. Oh my gosh, you have a furnace here?
No, I have lots of furnace. I'm gonna put one.
Okay, one in my room, okay?
Okay. I'll put one at my room. Sorry, I'm eating also.
Oh my gosh, why in front of the door?
No, I was about to do. Yeah, mine. It's mine. Okay, it can be yours. I'll just put it here. Maybe I'll have to.
It's almost night.
Wait, we don't have any coal. We don't have any coal yet.
Oh, right. Let me see if I have some in my room.
I don't have any. Let me see too.
I have 59.
Oh, nice.
You can get 29 of them.
I have actually enchanted hoe. I can use that for farming. I'm the one who farm. You're the one who do things.
I'll just go to the village today. I wanna play as always.
Wait.
What should we cook first? Okay, let's sleep.
Wait, sis. I accidentally put a furnace here.
Oh, I think I might. I'm scared.
Okay, let's just sleep now.
What if there's a zombie or a creeper down there?
Yeah, me too. Come on.
Sleep. 1, 2.
I already sleep.
Never mind. Good morning.
Good morning, sis. And I'm gonna break that furnace that I accidentally put.
Diamond boots.
I guess so. I don't know.
Hey, what day is it? Today is.
I think it's Monday.
No, it's not.
Tuesday?
I don't know. What day is it today?
I think it's Tuesday.
It is Tuesday. So I will wear my feather falling boots.
I get my furnace back. I'm gonna put it in the chest.
What? Enchanted or not enchanted? I don't think enchanted is better.
You give me the coal, please.
I already give you. It's in the furnace. Bye, sis.
Oh.
Off to go to the village. Wait, I forgot to get my food.
I'm cooking all of.
I will go get the food and. Oh my gosh.
I'm also eating, guys, so don't mind.
You should take a pet with you today.
But who?
Wait, we forgot to put Bailey back.
Oh yeah.
We will each have a pet. So maybe you will get. I've got seeds. No. I don't want sweet tea again.
Potion of healing.
Potion of healing is chili.
Oh. Excuse me. Okay, Chili, come on.
Okay, I've got an iron sword. Who's that iron sword? The iron sword is Jello. Okay, we both got our favorite dog.
Yeah, come on. Actually, my favorite dog is Beauty and Chilik.
Jellic is not teleporting.
No.
Jellic, stop making a mess. But the mess is not that big. We should mind.
Okay. Good job, Chilik, 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 Chilik. What are we gonna do today?
Where's Jello?
I don't know.
How long have I been recording?
5 minutes. Ah!
Apple. Where are you, Jello?
I still have the potion of healing.
It's okay, you keep it, but don't use it.
Yeah, I know. Never mind.
What?
It's okay. Just come down here. Okay, come on, let's go out. Let Jello teleport. I almost linked it.
Where's Jello?
I don't know. Let her teleport to you.
But I didn't pick up Jello.
No! Just sit here for a while, okay?
Because I don't know where Jello is.
Seriously?
No, seriously. Is this you, Jello? Is this Jello?
I don't know.
I think it is.
I think this is Jello. This over here.
Oh yeah. This is my other dog.
Sit.
Jello, come on.
Sorry. Jello's gonna attack me.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Go up.
Sit her.
I'm trying. She's fast.
There's always been a dog attack. I'm kind of hungry. Have you sit her down? Okay, you have. I was seriously. I'm gonna feed her somehow.
Okay.
I'm gonna feed her my fish. Jello.
I don't think dogs eat fish.
They do.
They don't.
They do.
They don't.
I just feed her fish.
Seriously?
Yeah.
It worked?
Yeah.
Okay, never
I
mind.
think she's gonna attack me still.
Oh, come here, Jello.
Tell her that I'm a good person.
No, she knows.
It's just that I hit her once and she's kind of mad to me.
Not anymore.
Okay, I'm gonna go fishing, okay, girl?
Okay, have a great day.
Yeah.
And eat.
I just left Felix.
Come on, Jello. Good girl. What? A villager can hold a carrot?
Yeah, why?
I didn't know that. Villagers can hold carrots in their hands. It's like holding. Oh my gosh! It's holding a carrot. How do villagers do that?
Let me just go to your no need.
Aw, a baby butcher.
Butchers are evil.
Butchers.
They keep killing animals. Kind of.
What are you doing in front of my face? The village is growing rapidly. Yeah, that's okay.
I'm just gonna go home for a while. Jelly, you stay
they're
there.
in love.
I'm kind of sick.
And here I can capture so many things.
Hey, wait, they're in love or not?
The farmer just had a baby butcher.
Oh, butcher. I don't like butchers.
I think if you have a farmer with a doctor, what are you doing up there? The baby will be a butcher.
I think so.
The Mrs. Girl who keeps on. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I mean, like, tongue twisters.
Tongue twisters? Never mind about her.
Ah! Took lots of damage. Sorry for the crops that I messed.
So now I'm a bit hungry. Not my golden apples, they're too precious. Okay, Chilek, I'm going back fishing.
How long have you been recording?
10 minutes. We record by 10 minutes.
10 minutes. I think I should replant them now. Is it night yet?
Nope,
Hmm,
it's still morning.
it's still day.
Chilek,
What?
I love you, girl, boy.
A doggy? Oh, come here, you wild mutt.
Oh, a doggy?
I just rescued a dog.
Aww.
Come here, guys.
We need to continue off our beetroot. Soon we'll upgrade our house maybe at
Hello.
I don't know when
Hello,
episode.
doctor. Oh, you're a librarian. Hello, miss. Oh my gosh, that was a big fair trade.
What? What fair trade?
A big trade, really expensive, but it's really worth it.
What?
You get a Bane of Arthropods enchanted book for 64 emeralds and 1 book.
A what?
Bane of Arthropods.
You know, other parts book.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wish your farmer would want to trade seeds. It's almost night though.
You better head home.
Sure. Maybe tomorrow we can. I can do.
I have 64 seeds.
I can do something fun in the village. Where's home?
I'll help you.
No. I got my sword out. Oh my gosh, we must go. I must go home.
Don't forget about Jello.
No, there's an ending up. Doggies, come on.
I will bring Chilek.
No, they will stand guard outside. Let the dogs stay outside and guard.
Chilek's guarding near the dock.
Come on.
In fast. Sit Jello and the other dog. Whoever. Chilek, I have to bring him at the farm. Don't I? Or should Chilek be near the
Jello.
dock?
Help me, sis.
What?
Make sure you're holding a sword. Jello's out there.
No, I don't bring a sword.
Oh man.
Okay, she's
Good.
gonna.
Good. Okay, come on, let's go.
We forget to close the door.
Just close it. You close it.
No, you.
No, I'm already up here. Your
Oh.
fish is so much.
I know, so
Oh my gosh, I'm jealous.
I'm always
Oh
going.
my gosh, it's night.
Oh boy,
The sun's gone.
I'm sleeping.
Okay, good.
Sleep.
How long have I been recording? 4 minutes.
Sis,
Oh my gosh.
zombie and skeleton outside burning.
Okay, guys, this should be it.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. So, see you. Bye.